Hello everyone, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia, and I would like to welcome you to my Jungle Pals celebration card for my celebration class. This is the card we will be making, and what we are using is the Jungle Pals stamp set. So all of these are celebration items. The Jungle Pals stamp set is a level 1 item, and you get all the very awfully cute animals in the set. You can also earn, so this is level 1 for $90. You can also earn the Jungle Pals dies. This is a level 2, so you can earn that for $180. And I have thrown in the Heartfelt Hellos sentiment, which is another level 1 stamp set. So I've made this card. There is a lot more I could have grabbed from these dies and added to the card, but I did try and keep it on the simpler side, just being a class. So this is the card. I have pre-die cut everything. So what I thought we would start with is our stamping, because I do want to let the stamping dry before we start colouring with our Stampin' blends. So let me just move these stamp sets and dies off to the side for just a second, and I shall bring in my stamp positioning tool. So I have this set up with a jig ready to stamp. So I did say I had pre-cut everything, so I've already used this in my class and my team meeting, and everyone was able to just pop their die cuts into the jig and then stamp their image or images all